Medium, yeah.
But it's just the one side that's touching.
It's close. Oh, there you go.
There, okay.
We're in. Okay, so do you want to
Hardware.
take this out to the tip
Yeah.
and relieve Nick? Do we have pins?
Yeah.
Okay, go get the horizontal, the vertical tail.
Do we need the king post on before the wing post?
Yeah, I do want to put the king post.
Linda?
So we need to undo the wires
Oh, you should have seen the wind when we were testing this last night.
I mean, I know it's dead still right now, but I'm just thinking of things that could go wrong right now. Wait, who has the other wing one? Oh, Grant does. Craig's got the other wing one. Grant. Oh, Grant. There's that little hole on the shaft that sort of kept the sheet on it. Does it actually go through that hole, or is it that hole? I need that fitting again. Okay. Try it now, fold it.
Why try it? I can go.
Oh, hold on, stop, don't let go. We have a kink in this line.
Oh, great. That's on the internet.
Yeah, we do. No, we don't.
I know we should stop it polished.
Oh, that's the one that I took. Here.
So when you took, but then I don't know if you ever got the replacements you were going to get.
No. Leave it back here.
I'm so afraid I'll poop over
It's supposed to stay here.
get in on this team sometime, but like after all, I got the camera and transfer to the pipeline and figure, so we see
Just provide some resistance on the end rib for me.
Yeah.
Actually, do this a little bit. I think we need to repair this. We have a whole section coming
Use office, just keep it supported. Yeah, it's bowing down.
there's like an insertion line.
Well, it goes all the way to the center. But there isn't a center. Let's see. It just goes all the way through. So what you need to do is measure this, make a little tick mark on here on each one, and then you will put them up against each other, but just make sure they're relatively the same distance.
Oh, fantastic.
I brought my own. No, absolutely. I just.
So there were supposedly a different set for this time where we were looking.
Add that to the list.
Yeah, so what I want to do is make sure that what she's bringing over actually works, because we think we have one.
This is the kit for the fuselage, the seat.
So if you get a crosswind, it's going to be pushing way harder on the back here toward it like that.
Yeah, when you're stopped. Yeah, when you're flight and you're not stopped. Could you get the batteries hooked up? Just set it.
Yeah. It just needs to be compatible with this.
So I found the longer runs you can do at a time.
That's one.
Push your other hand.
So get a picture of that.
Mark it with a marker, Alec. Just get a marker on the wave.
But I want you to push harder.
Okay. Cute.
In order to use that, it requires a micro or mini USB.
Okay. You want to put it back up again, the stand? Yeah.
Very good. Take care.
Fucked up a teeny bit on the first one, but the underside is okay. Okay, you can pull out.
It's different left to right.
Okay.
So that's in travel adjustment. If you go back to the main menu, this is dual rate is how you can change the limits together. So like if you think it's too much overall,
Right.
you would use the rudder dual rate to bring both sides down together. And the expo, I don't know if you probably don't want to mess with the expo, but that would be right here.
Did you leave a relatively slow slew rate in the exercise?
Do we want to?
So one complication,
Yeah.
if this turns, it will hit the stand?
Yeah, the
So-
stand will get removed.
Okay. Yeah, more of a Febreze comes through, so just hanging out. You're starting to see breezes. It'll hit both here.
And then we forgot to bring it and the screws, so then we had to make this impromptu thing. Yeah, it was working fine, but it just wouldn't fit in the truck.
This is fine for now. It's just a heads up that this needs to be a manned station. While it's there.
So what time is it?
It is 7:50 and you're finishing.
Like something by now, so
Yeah.
pull up, Alex, pull up.
I'm not sure how you put it down from, but
Back behind.
Yeah. So I think that I looked at the pilot
Yeah, careful you keep in. You're making wind? Yep. Yeah, those feet. Got about 10 miles of wind. That's almost 12, 15. Yeah, you'll be 2 miles an hour. How's the drive line looking? So far, good. Oh, my phone is trying to restart for some reason. Oh, I see what's happening. Sorry. What happened? Did it come off the? No, nothing came off. Could be that it's stalled out or not moving. All right, let me get out. So let's change this out and move the seats forward.
Yeah. That makes
Okay.
RPM. It felt like it was very, that circle of power to RPM is really low.
Clear. Okay, up there. Okay, and remember the back. The back of that thing is a little bit. Yeah, I'll keep off of that. Yeah. Yeah, we probably had the pitch totally wrong on the other one. Can I move the servos? No. Yeah, Grant, can you get further back? That's right where the prop went last time.
I feel like I'm climbing a hill.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we definitely need to change the gearing so that power is at a higher RPM. All right, I don't want to overdo it, so probably should stop. Okay, before we break the plane down.
Oh, we got to do that again.
Right here.
Sometimes we can stop there.